Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create sphere in FreeCAD. So there is one really simple method that I recommend you to use. So first we need to create an empty file, and after that we need to change mode from part design to part. So I select it, and then I need to click on this one icon. It will let you to create a sphere solid. So I click on it, and then sphere will be successfully created here. So now we can go to model and we can click on sphere, and here we can modify properties of sphere. So for example, I will decrease value for radius, so I will set it maybe to 4. After that I need to click on this one icon to refresh all properties, and how you see the sphere is now smaller. Of course you can modify placement if you want. If you will click on this one arrow, you'll be able to modify position of this sphere. So for example, I will increase X, Y and Z value. So for example, let's increase it. How you see it really works. So I will increase maybe Y value and maybe Z value. So how you see, in this way you can modify properties for sphere and you can create it in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.